In a competitive business environment like Frederick, Maryland, staying ahead means more than just offering great products or services. It also involves making strategic investments in your property. One such investment that is often overlooked but delivers substantial long-term benefits is commercial window replacement. Whether you manage a storefront, office building, or mixed-use property, upgrading your windows can yield impressive returns on multiple fronts. Energy efficiency and cost saving. One of the most compelling reasons to replace your commercial windows is the improvement in energy efficiency. Older windows, especially those installed over a decade ago, typically lack modern insulating technologies like low emissivity, low E glass, double glazing, and thermal spacers. As a result, your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor climate, leading to higher utility bills. Modern energy-efficient windows drastically reduce heat transfer, keeping interiors warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. In a region like Frederick that experiences both hot summers and chilly winters, this is particularly important. Over time, the reduction in heating and cooling costs can offset a significant portion of your initial investment in replacement windows. Enhanced curb appeal and branding. The visual impression of your business can influence customer perception before they even walk through the door. Cracked, foggy, or outdated windows can signal neglect, while sleek, modern replacements communicate professionalism and care. In downtown Frederick and surrounding commercial zones, updated windows can boost your building's curb appeal and reinforce your brand identity. Whether you run a boutique, a tech startup, or a restaurant, the appearance of your business plays a key role in attracting foot traffic and making a lasting impression. Improved security and safety. New commercial windows are not only visually appealing but also far more secure. They often come with laminated or tempered safety glass, advanced locking mechanisms, and stronger frames. This added security helps deter break-ins and protects your assets, staff, and customers. For businesses located in high-traffic or urban areas of Frederick, enhanced window security is a wise preventive measure. Moreover, many modern windows are designed to meet or exceed current fire and safety codes, giving you peace of mind and potentially lowering insurance premiums. Better noise reduction. If your business is located near busy streets, highways, or construction zones, excessive noise can disrupt your operations and frustrate employees and customers alike. Replacing your windows with sound insulating models helps create a quieter, more focused interior environment. Clients visiting your office or customers dining in your cafe will appreciate the improved acoustic comfort, while your staff can enjoy a more productive workspace free from the constant hum of traffic or street activity. Tax benefits and incentives. Business owners in Frederick may be eligible for federal and state incentives for energy-efficient upgrades, including commercial window replacements. Programs like the Energy Efficient Commercial Buildings Deduction, Section 179D, and Maryland-specific grants or credits can significantly lower your out-of-pocket expenses. Before starting a replacement project, it's worth consulting with a local contractor who's familiar with these programs to ensure you maximize your savings. Increased property value and tenant appeal. if you own your commercial building, new windows can substantially increase its market value and appeal to prospective tenants. Energy efficient, secure, and aesthetically pleasing buildings tend to lease faster and command higher rents. Tenants in Frederick, especially those in retail or customer-facing sectors, value buildings that are well maintained and offer low operating costs. Your investment in high-quality window replacement could be the difference between securing a long-term lease or watching a tenant choose a competitor. Final thought: investing in commercial window replacement is not just about aesthetics, it's a strategic move that pays off in energy savings, security, customer satisfaction, and long-term property value. In a vibrant and growing community like Frederick, ensuring your business space is efficient, attractive, and safe sets the stage for success. If you're ready to take the next step, partnering with a local window specialist ensures your project is customized to Frederick's climate, building codes, and business landscape. Make the smart choice today and enjoy the benefits for years to come.